Good morning, my name is Charlotte. I want to share the book is Elsa Magic. I love Elsa because Elsa has a little sister. I do and have some magic. Are you ready?
Yes.
One day, Elsa played with Anna. Anna wanted to play playground, and Elsa said, "Yes, I will build your playground." And Elsa gave her to play the playground and have some magic, and she loved to. And I like to play magic. One day, Elsa Daddy and Elsa Mommy, she cannot go back in home. And Elsa need to be a queen. And Elsa and Anna pull her gloves, and Elsa cannot protect her magic. And Elsa walked to the mountain and sang "Let It Go." And looks like my clothes this one. And Anna finally walked to the mountain and can see her Elsa sister. Thank you.